Alright, we're recording the sewer from a exposed SDR-35 pipe outside the foundation of this construction project at 18868 Southeast 42nd Court, Issaquah, Washington. I'll be pulling back from the city main, pulling back to this exposed pipe that I got here. The date is March 30th, 2018, and we're coming back. You can see the city main there, flowing beneath us, coming back through what looks like 6-inch concrete, approximately 60 feet out. Reorient us here. Jumping back into 4-inch PVC is what it looks like there. Maybe a slight 22 turn. Coming back, we're inside of plastic. There's the turn at the bottom of this exposed pipe. There is the exposed pipe I'm going through. You can see the foundation of the site around me. Outside in the front here. Technician is Casey. We're signing off.